Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place where you wanna be watching me from. My name is Claude Joseph. In case you're new here, subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. South Africa, Cape Town hits. Cape of Cape Town, not the Cape Creek.
No,
Because
maybe you can elaborate.
because we
more.
have Cape of Agulhas, we have Cape of Good Hope, we have Cape Town.
Okay,
Right?
now I'm new.
So the term Cape.
I'm new here, so I only know of Cape Town. So I don't know of any other Cape. You are traveled. You're well traveled. So I may not really know what you know. So,
Okay, a cape. When somebody tells you, I'm in a Cape of Nairobi, or I'm in a Cape of Mombasa. So Cape is a raised land narrowing towards the body. surfing, yeah.
Surfing.
Or sailing.
Yeah.
So I'm seeing there's some book at the reception. There's something that I want to show you over here. There's some of the activities that I want to share with you around here. Alright guys, so we want to see what's going on around here, and so we're having some of the activities that we have been having around here. You can have this, it's called high five tandem it's called like paragliding. Actually, you can do paragliding in South Africa, Cape Town, and also you can, there's something of never at home right here. You can have the big 5 sunset safaris. You can go around different places actually. So those are some of the activities. There are so many activities that you can do around. Very, very great while in Cape Town. Also, you can do some township experience, walking around using a bus. You have some hostel wine tour. Like there's a tour of wines, because South Africa is well known. Because if you go to Franschhoek, where there's some wineries, you can do some tour of different types of wines. And also, while you're never at home right here in this beautiful place, you can also do the Cape Peninsula tour. You can go look for in the peninsula, we mean like where we have these things called the penguins. We can get some great pictures like this with the penguins. I was once in this peninsula based on the Cape Peninsula tour. Like you can have different pictures of different rainbow houses on the other side. It's called the book up actually. There are different of the Malays and different cultures that build houses, and they paint them differently. Like they're trying to create a community of rainbow, like this type of houses you see, these ones over here. So also you can see the big 5 safaris. You can go look for other stuffs. You can have Cape Town free walking tours. There's a lot of things to do. We can see the hot spots, like you can explore. You can do some jumping for 7 days, like tandem jumping. It's same as what you call like what you call this, like the paragliding. We can also do what you call like the bus. This bus, it comes from the sea point to Cape Point. So this Cape Point, the Cape Point is near the Cape of Good Hope actually. The Cape of Good Hope. If you're a tourist or a traveler like Joseph and you are in South Africa, Cape Town, these are things that I'm recommending for. You can do paragliding. You can do some. You can go to the Cape of Peninsula tour. You can see the penguins. You can come and have this kind of the big safaris. Man, it's the best. But in touch of this, I wanna share with you what is it over here, and I want to give you a quick tour of how everything is around. I know everything is going to be rice, and this is wine tours, safaris. We have paragliding, like helicopters. Man, I once tried this of the city sign. The city sign, you be in a bus like this, and it will take you around all Cape Town. Let me just sit here and share with you with this, because this is what I had, and this is what I did on the other side. So Minhavi, this is one of the greatest thing you can do if you want to tour Cape Town. If you are new and you don't know how Cape Town is, you can use this. It's called city sightseeing Cape Town. Like you can use this bus.
City sightseeing,
yeah,
Cape Town.
If you saw these buses when you were coming from the airport.
Yeah, I did.
So this actually, it picks you every point. So you can come in
Cape Town around.
Yes.
Okay.
So the tickets are a little bit kinda expensive, but it's affordable for each and every person. So
like it can be like as a traveler, it could be a bit expensive.
Yeah.
For you, but maybe these are tourist prices.
Yeah, tourist prices.
Yeah.
But it's the best.
But
actually.
It's nice. You can just
you
can
goes,
sacrifice and
yeah.
do all this, because I think it will be worth it.
It takes you all point. So it's just like it drops you when you want. You drop, and then you go tour. If you want to drop in Cape Town like here, you drop inside here. You tour inside, and then you went to the place, and then it picks you from there again. Like it takes you from different places. Sorry guys.
Okay. Like
So
live bus tracking. You can track the bus actually.
yeah,
Wow, that's nice.
it's
I think
everything actually.
Live boat tracking. Wow.
And you know, it's not only taking you around, but it gives you the history too.
So we are at a place called Long Street right now.
Yeah,
guys.
Long Street actually.
Yeah. So
You know, in Long Street we have different streets. Maybe we're in 244, 245, Long Street 18. yeah, so that's a quick story of what is going to happen over here. But in initially, I want to take you outside. We want to be outside for a short quick tour, and we want to enjoy how everything is around. We want to feel the vibe. Alright guys, see you over there. So alright guys, you see there's a lot of also filming ongoing. Hello. Yes, so I'm leaving this side. I don't know if I can go downwards or I head upwards, but let's do the upwards, or maybe we should say right or left, right or left, and then we choose. Let's go upwards, because if we go upwards a little bit, we might come down and see what's going on around. So wow, the fresh air feels so nice on this area. Cape Town for you. Welcome officially to South Africa, Cape Town. This is how it looks like. It looks very great, very amazing, very modern. Actually, this area, it's really modernized compared to other places. Cape Town is one of the greatest cities, or one of the greatest points to be. Actually, it is a city to feel. It's a city to feel, to be into, because it's one of the greatest points. So while you are here, you can see there's a peak over there. It's called Signal. No, the Signal Hill is on this other side. So in which I want to take you around this neighborhood, and we want to see what's going on around. I have my phone here. Ooh, let me check. Do I even have my phone? Of course, yes. So I think I'm connected. Let me check. Oh yeah, I'm connected, because if you're not connected, my guy, and I left me in Hawaii on the other side, so it should be like I'm done, I'm gone. And this is the best areas, as we want to be taking you around on the other side, then want to come back really. Actually, South Africa, I think it has one of the best also cars around, best houses. Cape Town is the greatest area. So without me speaking much, of course, the little I speak, the more I share with you about how stuffs are. See, like the best cars are parked here. This is Cape Town for you guys. It's one of the greatest. And hello, yes, we say hello, or Sibwana. Because we have different languages. Look, it is a hotel called Mount Nelson. Very great, and very well known. I learned about Sibwana. That is one of the greetings that is well known here, or well used. Sibwana. But in initial, it is what it is. It's me to take you around, to enjoy the best areas around, to take how stuff are on this end of Cape Town. You know, most a day like now, not much commotion, but during at night, it's party zone, and this street, Long Street, is very one of the greatest party zone. Hi. Yes. So let's dig in, let's get lost, and wanna share with you what's great on the other side. Whew. That's called Devil's Peak, because it's believed on that mountain that I told you, the Devils, it's called the Devil's Peak. It is believed that some days there used to be smoke coming out. There used to be smoke coming out of that hill, but when they go near, they don't see who reach it, so they believe there's a devil on the other side. And this other end, we're having one of the greatest hill called Table Mountain. So while we are in this amazing area, we'll be able to see the Table Mountain on the other side. This one is called Signal. It's called Signal Hill. But on the other side, it looks like what you call like one of the greatest, called Lion's Head. It's called Lion's Head actually. So let's wait and see. So before I confuse you with these areas, maybe with the mountains, we'll be able to share with you what's on the other end. But in initial, let's roam around. We share with you what's on the other great areas of this end, because this area of this part of Cape Town, I think of the posh area, like the posh where the rich hide. So, you know, like traveling, actually, you can travel in an expensive city, but it depends with how you vibe, or it depends with how you spend on your own, or it depends with how you spend. So you might travel to a place like this, but you are spending less than what people think. So, and on the other end also, you might travel to a cheap town where you are spending more than what you could be spending on an expensive town. So it depends with your vibe, it depends with how you know the pocket is. But with me, honestly speaking, I'm really trying my best to show you the best. Not that I have a lot, no, I'm trying my best to give you a lot, to give you the best, to deliver the best. So in initial, oh, I think that's the Signal Hill now. We have Signal Hill on the other side. I don't know if you can see. Hey, that guy with the arcade. And also on this other far end, you'll be able to see how things are on the other side, these greatest areas. So on this other side, we have what we call like Table Mountain, as we are heading on top of it, and things will be really great, and we wanna be seeing what's going on around. And also one thing I love about this is it actually keeps you, giving you a red go. They have some signals, traffic lights. Wow, amazing. And they obey them very, very, very much. I want to see what's going on around on this other end. This is South Africa for you. Should I run or not? You know, now being in the village, it's one of the craziest things. I'm looking at this at these things. Oh, the amber is there, it's trying to tell me move or not to move. Wow. What's up, man? What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Amazing. If you want a party place, if you want to party, like you really need that party vibe, Cape Town, Long Street, one of the greatest.
Oh, I was wondering whether we could like.
So let's try some. Try and see on the other end what can be on the other great side. Hey, let me wait for them. When they cross, I cross. You know, now I fear. When they cross, I cross. Because with me, I've been waiting for a little to go on. They're not behaving.
Kind of just exploring, right?
It's as heavy as you see. There's a car over there, very great. Small car over there. You see, Play Cosa is over there, as you see. Wow. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's close with care. And amazingly, so we could have gone to this side, but let's focus on the upper side, and then we wanna calm down. You wanna calm down. Hey. If you think you've seen it all, wait until you come to South Africa, Cape Town. One of the greatest. I know these places, you have them on your other side, guys. but this is not your average city. It's one of the greatest. The vibe, cars, people move on the other side of it, the great cars. I know some you have them in your places, you have them in your cities, you have them in your places, but honestly speaking, maybe it is the village in me. Maybe it's the village in me that I'm kinda so shocked with this. I know some of you will not be shocked with this, but the good thing is it's Claude to give you an educative best vlogs around in this area of Cape Town. I'm trying to figure out where I can see what's going on the other side, but things are like, oh Claude, man, relax, it's just the start. It's just the start, so try as much as you can to keep calm. So we have this seasonal, we call them like winter. They are best in Canada, so like this tree, they are the greatest in Canada. How do we call this tree actually? Is it winter tree or what? So I think now you can see the best view. This is called Table Mountain. Actually it lies to the other side of the Devil's Peak, and we have Signal Mountain or Signal Hill on the other side. We're having the what we call like the Lion's Head over there. So because nobody is crossing this road, man, it's the black sheep Claude here, sharing with you amazing areas, giving you history, great history of all histories. So let's head, because with me honestly, I'm here, I couldn't afford what you call like the tour guide, or I couldn't afford what we call like being in a city sightseeing, in a city sightseeing bus. But it's more of the vibe when I walk, more of the vibe when I just go around. It's more of the vibe when I walk. I do one of the greatest exercises here with you, and yeah, we vibe one-on-one on the ground rather than being explained with another person who read maybe history. So it's better to be with it. With the short history you read, I can share with you. The dark house. Hi, what's up? So that we can be able with you to see what's going on around. It's like I'm in a city. Am I in Germany, man? Because the Arctic is one of the greatest area. It's called Kruf. It's called the Kruf Street on this other end. One of the greatest, best parts. And one thing I love about this area is security is on top notch. When we say about security is on top notch, it will be, let me check, somebody is trying to tell me. All right, security is in top notch. The reason why I'm telling you security is on top notch in Cape Town, not only in the other places, but in Cape Town, in Johannesburg, Durban a little bit, but on this end I recommend you, if you pay visit in this area, and thou shall you be told, oh, this, it's you on your own to be vigilant and share with what you can. But in initial, enjoy the city, the Kruf Street. We are in the Kruf Street. Hello. We are in a Kruf Street. It's called Kruf. Kruf is heading to the other side, so it's a raised area. Cape Town is on a raised part. They narrow heading to the ocean, to the water body. So that's why you see there's a lot of cars on the other side. So the more I go up, the more I head on the other side. There are some of the best cars aligning on the other side. Wow, man. And the names here, maybe I should cross the road and see on the other side what can it be, because the names here are more of what we call like Dutch, I think so. Hello, let's cross. Yeah, we should cross on the other end, but on the other side is going to, some days maybe I want to take you to the other side of the Table Mountain. You can check on the other side. At least I've given you a quick small tour of how Cape Town looks like. Why wouldn't you subscribe to Claude Joseph? And if you wanna be enjoying knowing more of the other sides of the streets of different parts, if you subscribe today, if you like this video, tomorrow we do one of the best and the greatest vlog also on the other side, because the more the video goes viral, the more Claude Joseph is really known, and the more ads you watch, the more I'll get recommendations. Wow, even here we have G4S. It seems like a big worldwide company. So the more you refuel, the more you like, the more you refuel the videos, and the more you refuel how things move on the other side. Okay. People have dream cars over here, great and amazing. So in a few days of now, I think I could have taken you around of this beautiful area. Now I guess you'll be able to see deep to the downwards, heading to the downtown of the long street. Remember, we are in the Kroof Street. Upper here is the Kroof Street of Cape Town. On this end, look at the graffitis. Wow. The mother city. It's called the mother city itself. Cape Town is regarded as the mother city. And sometimes I also gave you some of the activities that are recommended to you if you pay a visit on this other end. You will be able to do. First, you can do city sightseeing using a bus. Secondly, you can go on the Table Mountain. You can do hiking, you can do other stuffs. Thirdly, you can do some winery testing, and when you do some, you can go to Franschhoek. Guys, if I'm if I'm giving you a wrong name, Franschhoek, I'm not a Dutch person, so I'm trying my best to read the names in a Dutch way so that I can deliver the message. So, and also, if you're coming this side, please carry your sunscreens, because this time is so hot. At times it keep on changing the environment. Another thing is, you can be able to go around the whole Cape Town on the other side. I keep on checking on my phone, the reason being I might receive a call from this end. Inshallah, things are great. The Kroof, this is a school. This is the school actually. It's Russian High School, Jan Varebek. It's one of the greatest schools for the rich. This end. It's in the city, man, on the Kroof. Alright guys, so let's head downwards. As we see, as I know, the comment section, what do you think about this? I want to give you a quick tour of the other side, of the other great areas. I know this is not the very first time me showing you this, or this is not the very first time for you to see or to watch of this. The reason being is there are so many content creators who shows you, but it depends with how they deliver. Let me try this the best. You see, oh man, you wanna try and see? Let's stand still. I can't. Wow. Some days we. All right, man. Let's close. It says you green. Nowadays, your boy is sharp to use these street traffic lights. Is it traffic lights or traffic signs? Please bear with me. Am I lost or not? So, with me, I have to deliver this. I have to share with you my honest opinions about what's going on the other side. These are one of the buses. Also, you buy a ticket. It's called M-City. You buy a ticket and it takes you also around. So it picks you in each and every point. when you see a bus like that, that one is just anchoring there, and you just move on the other side. Wow. The greatest of all is this area. The crime rates are very minimal compared to other parts. The reason being, we have different security checkpoints around here. Each and every point we have security, you know. And we have one of the most affordable place, or most affordable supermarkets. It's one of the most affordable supermarkets. It's called the Checkers. You'll find most of the people come to do this, because come to shop in this Checkers because it's more pocket friendly rather than the other parts. You'll find people like Claude coming inside here. At first, when I was here, this is one of the points where I was recommended to. If your pocket is not heavy, kindly check in the Checkers, because it's pocket friendly. So if you avoid traveling expensive in Cape Town, do as I told you. All right, guys, the sun is scorching. The sun is, well, I think I'll be able to buy one of their capes so that the sun can accept me too. It's too sunny today. Voila, it's so sunny. All right, guys, share with you the amazing plants. And this is how they throw their garbages. That's how they throw the garbage, and things throws on the amazing place. The other great. How different groups of tourists on the other hand. Let us be able to see what will be on the other end. Building for sale. You want to sell the building, man? I wish I had money, I could have bought it, or I could have bought it and make it a business area. We have Black House here. It's called the Black House in the 87th Grove Street. It's to rent. All right. Have to come back. It's my place now. I just came back. Gonna see what's going on around on the other side. We have to cross. There's some movie shoots on the other end. They're shooting the movies. All right, guys.
low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go.
This is Cape Town, on the other side of the waterfront, called the Lake Victoria waterfront. It's one of the greatest areas, so we want to be taking you through this great thrilling journey. Most of the people do paragliding from this end, and it's one of the greatest areas. It's one of the most visited area actually.
That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display, on repeat in your brain.
This is one of the most prominent areas for the rich, honestly, but we afford sometimes. But it is what it is, guys. Guys, we are one of the waterfronts actually where they do some paragliding on the other side. As you see, there's this guy doing some best paragliding. So we are in this beautiful area. They do this paragliding from Signal Hill over here on the other side. Wow. You can just show, you can just see how everything is. Yeah. With us, we are going this way. How we? Yeah. Okay.
Did you catch the paraglider?
Yeah, we are doing some paragliding. I'm also having some friends of mine here. Hey, bro, what's up?
Fine.
Everything cool?
Yeah, everything's cool.
Oh man.
Not haven't experienced any trouble being Israeli.
Oh man. Is it your very first time in Africa?
First time in Africa.
Oh man. How are you getting it in Africa?
I mean, like, just seeing it's different. I mean, there are a lot of Ethiopians in Israel.
Yeah.
It's not a shock.
Oh,
no shock. But,
oh man. But how are you taking it in Cape Town? Like Cape Town itself, is it nice on you or?
Cape Town, no, it looks great. You know, it's just to me it looks like any other normal city.
Oh man, yeah.
All the paragliders, insane.
The paragliding, right?
Paragliding, yeah.
Yeah. They come from this Signal Hill over here. All the way through down to this side. All right, guys. So let's get in. Oh man. Yeah, here. Let's see. Okay. Come on, close this door. Bang it this way.
Faith's going with them, right?
Yeah, no, she's going with the.
Oh, okay.
All right, man. Okay, guys. Let's wait and see. On the other side. Alright, guys, so we are heading on the other side of this great Cape Town, and I want to be sharing with you some great moves and trading journeys of the other side. So hopefully you'll be able to enjoy this, and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Alright.
That's a Jewish dude, yeah. His dad was in the Haganah. He was in the Israeli military before there was a military. Haganah means a protection organization. It's the protection organization. It was the biggest one because it was the least kitzoni. It was the least radical, so it was the biggest.
My good people, this is SA for you. Jeep machines, man.
There's no bingo.
Oh, that's great. Still gotta pay for parking.
And then go in the water because it's cold.
Yeah. Sounds
good.
great. Yeah.
So let's do that after lunch.
Okay.
We'll just walk so we don't have to drive anywhere.
Yeah.
Sounds good. That's what I really want to do. That's what I usually do whenever I'm like traveling and I'm in the plane for a while.
Mm-hmm.
Just go to the gym or have a workout.
Yeah.
And then gets everything flowing again.
Mm-hmm.
Sitting that long is really not good.
Okay. Norman?
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I
They're moving on to us, guys. Us in Harry and Mike.
We are going the right way.
way back before
Such a
too many things going on. I
Yeah,
can't
yeah.
keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb
and a
to
beach
people putting
and a bunch of white people. Everything does not make sense. Everything is like mixed up.
It's different, right?
It should be cold as hell, but it's not. It should be black people, but it's just whites. This doesn't make any sense to me.
It's not in Africa.
I didn't. What is this?
You been to Johannesburg?
I've been to Johannesburg.
Would you say that Cape Town is different than
Very,
Johannesburg?
very. Cape Town is more party, more old life.
Oh, okay.
In Johannesburg, not that much. Huge homeless people. Nasty.
Oh, okay. Is it still going?
Yeah, it's still recording. You're live, nah.
Yeah.
This is called
Synthesizing? Oh, very cool. 56.
How do you feel being in this city?
Ah, great.
Beautiful.
Very pretty. Wow, look at that building with the wooden supports.
Then they tell you to do it without demolishing.
Okay.
I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel his tense. Don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just?
Did you know Michael when he had like more hair?
No, Michael hasn't had hair.
I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all.
place looks so beautiful, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the quick and amazing beautiful views of the other side of how I've been taking you through this thrilling journey of the other end of Cape Town. Now we are in a place called Camps Bay. It's one of the greatest area. There's a lot of construction ongoing. They wanna do what you call like some great things. So hopefully everything's going to be right. I wanna be sharing with you the real life situation of this area, and also from there I know you're going to enjoy the beautiful areas as always, from car to footwork, from footwork we just moving. It's part of the most tactical area to just share with my family on YouTube, so that maybe when you want to be traveling to this end you'll be so much okay with how stuff are on other great parts. So let's close by to this far end. That's the Lion's Head Hill on the other side. That's how this beautiful area looks like. It looks amazing. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about it, and do stuff's great with you on the other end or not. So enjoy the most cleanest parts also of Cape Town, very well developed. It's called base response. So we are heading downwards on the beach of the other sides of the restaurants of this area. It's still under construction, as you see. Ooh, man. If that falls from there, oh my god, I don't know what happens. But it's amazing. High touristic areas, high tourist responses of this area. This is how they construct on the other fair ends of the other great. Amazing. The great minds always thinks about positive things. So that's why I'm here to share with you what's going on around with the fair stuffs of the other great areas. So this is called the fairway. It's called the fairway area. So let's see how we can cross by. Oh, on this end, of course, we're having the city sighting buses. Those buses are great on the other end, and they give you a very nice thrilling journey of the other side. So enjoy, and you should enjoy, and I know you're enjoying when you are with Claude Joseph. This is one of the most fearful content creators who try to bring you best vlogs all over the world, with each and every place where you like, and where you have to share the greatest air of all times. So we should be moving. How about the waterfront of the other side? Soon we're gonna take you to the beach side, and I know mostly you will enjoy this, as always with you. Cape Town, Camps Bay. Camps Bay for you, greatest of all times. And alright guys, let's end this and to share with you how things are on the other side. Alright. We're literally moving on the other side. Our piano music's for it. Things are crazy. We are almost there. And, welcome to the little German states of Africa. Moving on the other great areas. Oh, they came inside here. They parked here. Then we are going to the other side a little bit. Yeah. So this was the parking lot over here, but we parked our car on the other side. So this on the other side has been one of the greatest areas. So yeah, guys, this is the area for you. It's one of the greatest parts of this area of Cape Town. I was once here those days back when let me use the zebra crossing of the other end. I was once here some days back, way back, and from this side on the other end, that is what we call this hill. It's called Lion's Head's Hill. Man, things have been so great on the other side. So I will literally cross this, and we want to see what's going on the other end, near the beaches of this other great area of Cape Town. This area is called Camps Bay, and here is where we'll get one of the greatest all sorts of stuffs from here, starting from the dance, starting from if you want to enjoy to the fullest, if you want to get one of the greatest stuffs, it's here. And it's more of whites, it's more of best things actually, you know. If you want leisure, it's here. If you want every sort of stuffs, it's actually at this area of Camps Bay. It's more of it's a waterfront actually. They used to have a great area right there called the President's. It's called the President's Hotel. It's also one of the greatest. But as I am here, remember, Claude Joseph is all over to showcase how everything is around on these beautiful areas. So what favor you can do is to subscribe and also like and comment down below. All in all, don't forget to watch the ads, man. And if you want to wish to put a hand towards supporting of Claude Joseph, we are here, man. We are here. My PayPal is wide open. My M-Pesa number is just down there. And also, if you want to reach to me, it's the same number. You want to talk to Claude, listen how everything is. You want to have some advices. You want to appreciate his life. You want to appreciate each and every good that he do. My number is there. You can talk to me direct without any manager around. So this is how everything is around. The beach is very nice. Sometimes I want to take you in the beach, so it's only that I want to quench my thirsty and want to see how everything is. Yeah, alright, listen to that music. Don't worry about the things, cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Good boys, they usually sing and dance, show their acrobatics, and after that they can get something for their what you call like for their school, you know. It's one of the greatest area, you see. That's how they do actually, you know. Alright guys, let's end this. Let's go to the restaurant, then we can end. Alright guys. Alright guys, I had to end this video here by saying thank you so much. Subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment. I really appreciate your love and support. We are here in one of the greatest places, and what I can urge you is to subscribe, to like, to share, leave us a comment. It's great and nice. So bye bye for now. Meet you in the next episode. Bye guys.